Welcome to Quiche and Chardonnay's group.
Here is our palette of curated resources for educators.
Without further ado, let's go!
Yay!
Our Padlet offers a wide range of resources on the decoding learning continuum process, mainly focusing on the two chosen elements, reading and viewing.
So what is decoding? Decoding is the ability to apply the concept of print, letter knowledge, and phonological awareness when deciphering the meaning of text. This includes the use of visual, synthetic, or semantic cues to make meaning from words and sentences.
This is an important process because, by understanding the letter-sound correspondence and knowledge of letter patterns, it helps the child to correctly recognize and pronounce familiar words quickly. Decoding also allows young children to comprehend text they have never seen before and sound out words they are unfamiliar with. As supported by Fellows and Oakley, the ability to decode is the foundation to all other reading instructions such as fluency, vocabulary, and reading comprehension, which will be further discussed in our Padlet.
It also encompasses the knowledge of syntax, sentence structure, as well as semantic knowledge, which refers to the knowledge about the world and a range of topics.
With that, we believe that children who have these prior knowledge will have higher initial accuracy in decoding, which therefore increases the willingness to read, and as a result, word recognition and reading comprehension will progress too.
Now, we'll be sharing with you more about the reading and viewing elements that we have chosen.
The first element, reading, is an integral part of literacy involving decoding and making meaning of a wide range of text. This includes multimodal text such as
Picture books, comics, and posters.
This is an essential skill as it is required for learners to make meaning and understand written text so as to support their learning. Moving on, we'll be sharing two theories that serves as a basis to the curated resources in our Padlet for this reading element.
One of the theories is none other than the four resources model developed in 1990 by Peter Freebody and Alan Luke. We believe that the four resources model is an important guideline that discusses the different ways of how children can decode text. Hence, we kept this in mind as we curate our resources to include a range of practices and strategies in line with this theory, so that educators can support children in reading effectively. The next theory is the multiliteracies model, mapped by Mary Kalantzis and Bill Cope. By incorporating this theory, we curate resources that aim to foster children to become successful critical thinkers and problem solvers in the context of their community, society, and culture.
The next element, viewing. Viewing or visual literacy is the ability to make meaning of moving or still images by viewing them in a critical way through understanding the author or illustrator's intentions. Abigail Hewson's theory of aesthetic development and research approach speaks about the 5 stages of aesthetic development. In 1989, Philip Yanawayne and Abigail Hewson collaborated on the MoMA Gallery Talk study, which was set out to explore whether gallery talks led to a greater understanding of art and how this might be related to the visitor stage of aesthetic development. This collaboration led to the development of visual thinking strategies, in short, VTS. VTS is a teaching method that emphasizes the student learning process, individually and in conjunction with others. It is learner-driven, process-focused, fosters critical thinking skills. In short, it guides people through a process of curious exploration, critical reflection, and collective meaning-making.